this is serious. I found a tumor and it is cancer. So we're going to send you up for a CAT scan and see if it's spread from somewhere or to somewhere. And so we go up to the CAT scan, and the first thing through my mind was, how am I going to tell my kids? How am I going to tell Melissa's kids? How am I going to tell everybody? I'm 35. My youngest is 7 years old now, and my oldest is 12. Like, how bad is this?
It's been tough, you know, and being told that we are also getting statistics, but being told that at 35, when we plan to live till we were 80 together, that there's, sorry.
There's a 30% chance that I can live for 2 years. It's a 5% chance for 5 years. To get that news and be told that I can't do anything, I can't do what I used to do, kind of put a kibosh and a big hit into everybody's life, right? The windows are the biggest problem in this house.
Well, and our bathroom window doesn't even close.
A single pane aluminum window, like I said, anything touches it, it shatters. The garage is another one. It's right underneath our bedroom. It gets all the heat sucked out of there, which in turn freezes our room. Well, then you just keep going down the line of bedrooms. Like, all the kids' rooms are ice cold in the winter, super hot in the summer. Like, it's really one extreme to the other. It's never right in the comfortable zone.
The reason why we're here today is not to just do the interviews, but to congratulate you guys, because you guys actually won our Centra Home Reno contest, and so you will be getting your windows done.